Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today is definitely browser update day. Today, Tuesday, August 18th. We have an update for Microsoft Edge. So if you go to your Microsoft Edge browser, upper right, three dots, help and feedback, and about Microsoft Edge, you will be up to date to 151.0.4129.93. Now, this is performance and bug fixes. So there's no security updates on this update for Edge. It really is just bug fixes and performance issues. So it's not, really big update. It actually arrived late yesterday, Monday, rather than today, but was rolling out all day today. So this is mine was already up to date without me doing anything. I just clicked on it and it was already updated. So if you had issues with the Edge, if anything was weird or wrong, you can update and make sure that you check it out. Maybe it's going to fix whatever issues they have fixed. I know that last week, I think it's last week, there was a bug fixing update for Chrome, so it could be some Chromium issue that's fixed in the bug fixes here. Of course, we will have another update this week, as we will have the security updates that will show up for Microsoft Edge due to the Chromium updates, the 15 security flaws that we saw in Google Chrome. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.